Hi everyone, I'm Jamie from Hackle. Today, we're going to check out all the services provided by Hackle, the all-in-one platform that provides all the necessary tools and data insight for product and engineering teams to scale up. In order to do so, we first have to start from our homepage, www.hackle.io, and press on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the website. As long as you have a Google account, you can easily create a new account with us and access our dashboard. The screen you see here is the Hackle main dashboard that you will be exposed to right away after signing in. Here, you will be able to find a summary of your data analytics chart, your company's main metrics, any recent A/B tests, funnel analysis charts, and a list of all your feature flags. In Hackle, you're able to use all these features with a single SDK integration. And through this video tutorial, I will explain the features one by one, starting from linking your website or app to the Hackle dashboard, the SDK integration stage. Using Hackle means integrating with our SDKs. I will now explain the steps of SDK integration. Depending on whether the environment is development or production, and depending on whether the SDK you're using is intended for server or front end, you'll use the corresponding SDK keys suitable for each situation. You can directly copy the SDK keys, or you can invite your team's developer so that he or she can directly carry out the integration process for you. If you are a developer, check out our SDK integration walkthrough guide tutorial from our Hackle YouTube channel. This is the Hackle's A/B test page. An A/B test is an online controlled experiment where you can compare the previous version of a feature with a new version of a feature during a set period of time and ultimately choose to release the better version to real users. With Hackle, you do not have a limitation on the number of A/B tests you can run, the versions to test out, or the metrics to set when you are creating your A/B test. Let's check out one of the currently running A/B tests together. The experiment key 4 is the key you need to relay onto your team's developer in order to set up this experiment with code. However, controlling the start/pause status of your A/B test and the traffic allocation are all features that can be controlled from the Hackle dashboard. Now that this test is currently running, you can check the results of the metrics you set for each A/B test with statistic and visual aid. For example, if you wanted to check the differences in the GMV per user or the gross merchandise value per user between the different versions of the A/B test, you can see that for this specific metric, test group C's results showed an increase of around 16%. And you can check the statistical significance of this result either through p-values or Bayesian values. A feature flag is a tool that allows you to separate deployment from release. It is a tool that is commonly used by developers to release new features safely to real users. Let's check out a sample feature flag. When you deploy with a feature flag, even when the code is deployed, the new changes are not released to your actual users. In order to release the feature live to real users, you need to switch the feature flag on from the Hackle dashboard. You can either choose to release to a specific percentage of users using the traffic allocation tool, or target specific types of users using audience targeting. Now this feature is live to 20% of your users. This is the Hackle Data Insights tab, where you can not only gauge the daily and monthly user count, but you can view some of the main business metrics within your organization in a chart form, such as the homepage traffic, membership subscription, purchase conversions, revenue, and retention. You can check the details of the data by hovering over each graph, If you would like to conduct a detailed analysis by changing some of the conditions and settings of each chart or graph, you can either click on the Data Analytics tab at the left menu or click into each graph or chart. With the Hackle's Data Analytics tool, you can use various different types of events in order to analyze the data for your product. From the drop-down menu, you can select the event you wish to analyze along with the measurement method of each event. After selecting this, you will be able to check your data in a graph or table form. On the right here, you can choose how to segment or group your results from the graph or table below. From the above settings, you can choose to only look at a segment of your users, and from the group by settings, you can view the data grouped into different segments. In order to track your user behavior on your app or website, events are the fundamental basics for any type of data analytics. Events can be easily managed from the Event Management tab in the Hackle dashboard. Within this tab, you can view all the events that are currently integrated with the Hackle dashboard. By pressing into each event, you can also view the different types of properties or event attributes that are being collected with the specific event, and the number of times, or the trend in the number of times the event was triggered in the past. With the Live tab, you can also view the number of events that were triggered in the last 30 minutes.